Hello guys. Well, this video is regarding a buzzing noise from a soundbar. I've watched many videos, none of them are explaining the real reason. Well, it might be different reasons. Okay, this is an LG soundbar which comes with a subwoofer, wireless subwoofer. Okay, what the problem is, there is a buzzing noise, and I will increase the volume now so you can hear it. Well, I can't hear it that much because I rectified the problem anyway. So I'm going to show you what the problem is. These are the speakers. There are 4 speakers, and there is nothing that can go wrong with them. They're quite sturdy. They're quite good speakers. But what the problem was is, I don't know if you can see. Let me try. Okay, these little copper wires. These little copper wires that are connected to the back of the speaker, that are soldered, actually they are close to the back of the speaker, so close to the back of the speaker, so they, when you put the volume up, they start vibrating. So what I had to do is basically push them back away from the speaker, and I'm gonna use my glue gun just to put a little glue just to stay away from the back of the speaker, so when the speaker vibrates they don't touch and they don't they don't make this this annoying sound. I'm gonna do all of this. So there are actually 2 wires, one on the left, one on the right, obviously for the speaker. So 2, 4, 6, 8 wires, and when you put these wires away you won't have this sound. Okay, you might reduce the movement of the speaker, and actually this will not affect anything unless the bass, but you have enough bass from the subwoofer anyway. So here is just the high tone. So this was the problem, and if you have any questions, please let me know.